Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Fred, as you know, and this is GetMeCoding.com. You've already now completed your 4 free video tutorials, and there's more. If you want to get more into this coding tool called Scratch, or even just continue to learn the basics of what is coding, I have even more video tutorials. By signing up for these additional video tutorials and coding challenges, you're going to explore things such as sounds and sprite manipulation and sensing and scoring and variables and a variety of other things with coding challenges, as you've already experienced, and even more access to me to help guide you. I've been teaching a long time, and I know that sometimes it's great to have all these wonderful video tutorials that are out there, but it's even better when you have somebody holding your hand or guiding you along. All right, so going forward, I hope these tutorials will make you even more interested and more capable as a coder. But as always, you can reach out to me at fred@getmecoding.com, and I'll be glad to answer any questions you have, and I look forward to working with you. Good luck coding, everybody.